Hi, friends. Welcome to our fun learning channel. Today, we're going to learn about some very important words in English: is, am, are, was, and were. These words are super important because they help us talk about people, places, and things in different times. Are you ready? Let's go.
Present tense, is, am, and are. First, let's talk about is, am, and are. We use these words when we're talking about right now. This is called the present tense. Is, we use is when we're talking about one person, place, or thing. For example, the cat is sleeping. The sky is blue. Am, we use them only when we're talking about ourselves. For example, I am happy. I am playing. Past tense, was and were. Now, let's talk about was and were. We use these words when we're talking about the past, something that already happened. This is called the past tense. Was, we use was when we're talking about one person, place, or thing in the past. For example, yesterday, the cat was sleeping. The sky was cloudy last night. Were, we use were when we're talking about more than one person, place, or thing in the past. For example, last week, the dogs were barking. They were friends when they were kids. Great job, everyone! Now, let's do a quick quiz to practice what we've learned. I'll say a sentence, and you tell me if we should use is, am, are, was, or were. Complete the sentence. The sun, dash. Shining. Yes, you are right, the sun is shining. Complete the sentence. I, dash. Reading a book. That's right, the answer is I am reading a book. Complete the sentence. They, dash. At the park yesterday. You got it. They were at the park yesterday. The correct answer is were. Complete the sentence. The car, dash. New last year. Yes. The car was new last year. The correct answer is was. Complete the sentence. We, dash, going to the zoo tomorrow. Awesome. We are going to the zoo tomorrow. The correct answer is are. Fantastic job, everyone. Now you know how to use is, am, are, was, and were. Remember, is, am, and are for now, and was and were are for the past. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at using these words. Thanks for learning with us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun learning videos. See you next time. For more learning videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel Billy and Fun. Bye bye, friends.